Hello everyone, my name is Curtis Chandler. I teach language arts, which means reading and writing here in Kansas. I also do some basic courses in multimedia design, and I'm really excited to share something new with you that I found, and this is Google App Designer. And the reason why I'm excited about this is because I think that schools across the country and across the world are doing a great job teaching young people the basic fundamental skills of reading, writing, math, science. But what many schools lack are programs that allow students to integrate all these different content areas and to create something novel and unique with all these skills that students have. And so this is what we're going to do. We're going to show you Google App Inventor, and it's just what it says it is. What it allows you to do is design your own cell phone apps. And this is a really basic one since we're pressed for time. And all it's going to do is it'll have a picture of yourself. Don't touch my dessert. And you can record whatever it says. Mine says, don't touch my dessert, because I love my dessert. And with that, here we go. We'll show you how it works. Okay, so this is Google App Inventor, and you can find it just by going to Google and typing in Google App Inventor, and it allows you to create a free account. And all you do is you go in and you start by making a new project, and in the interest of time, let me just show you how this goes together. The first screen is easy. All you do is import and then put together different things. In this case, I created one screen, added a button, put in a label, and a sound. So the button is going to be what the person who's using the app is going to press. The label is going to be my picture, and then the sound will just be the sound that's associated with it. So when it's touched, it says what? Don't touch my dessert. So that's easy. Anybody can bring in images, text, and things like that and rearrange them. So you can move those around so the label's on top or whatever. The fun and exciting part is where we're asking students to put things together, part-to-whole relationships, logic and programming, integrating these different content areas. And that happens over here, where with each thing that you create, it comes with preset programs. And so you have to learn the cause and effect relationships. If this happens, then this. And what ends up happening is you can program any of your buttons, labels, and sounds to do virtually anything. In this case, it's very, very basic. What you're seeing is I created a simple program for when the button one is clicked. What do you want it to do? Well, it's going to call this sound. And that sound is, don't touch my dessert. So this is how you program a button to play a sound. And when it's all said and done, just like we said, you get it all done. You can download it right to your phone, any sort of Droid phone, and like any other phone, it works just like a regular app. So again, folks, this is what we're talking about. We do all these great things with students. We teach them to read, write, to do science, to do math, but what students really need are chances to create. And it doesn't have to be Google App Inventor. It could be anything. What we're trying to do is look for opportunities for students to explore and apply content in ways that allow them to use their creativity so that ultimately they're the designers and the inventors of the world. So, continue to teach them fundamentals, but also find fundamental ways for them to apply and integrate all these fun things.